Today I'll be showing you how to replace the paper feed rollers and the double feed prevention rollers on a Panasonic KV S1027C. When replacing the rollers on a Panasonic KV S1027C, we recommend replacing them after 250,000 scans. This number might change based on the type of paper that you scan, environmental factors, and general wear and tear of your scanner. That is why we recommend that not just keeping your scanner clean, but also the consumables inside of it. Before replacing the rollers, make sure you have the correct replacement roller kit. To begin, you can take off the input tray. This makes it a little easier to replace the rollers just by pulling up and out. Set that aside. And then to open up the front, we're going to just pull up on the black lever on the top right corner to open the scanner. Once the scanner is open, we're going to pull up on the paper feed roller cover here. And once you do, it should stand up by itself. To get the feed roller out, we're going to lift up on the right side first and then slide it out towards the right, and it should come out. Once out, now you can replace the consumable. Once you're ready to put the rollers back in, we're going to put the roller axis on the left side here, gently down as so, and the rest should drop into place. If done correctly, the roller should now be locked into place. After, close the paper feed roller cover. Make sure that you hear a snap so that you hear that everything is in place. On the other side of the scanner, we're going to pull down the opening of the double feed protection roller cover. Where you can open it is indicated by a little green triangle. And as you open it up, it should just hang to replace the rollers. To remove the double feed prevention roller, we're going to pull forward on the right side until it clicks off and then gently pull it out. Once the rollers are out, you can now replace the consumable. When you place it back in the left axis, we'll slide in and then let the rest of the roller on the right side just fall into place and it will click in. Close the cover just by pushing it back forward until it clicks into place. Lastly, we're going to close the cover just by pushing it back until it clicks. And then we're putting the input tray back in place just by aligning this with the two holes in the back of the scanner and pushing it all the way down. And this concludes how to replace the paper feed rollers and the double feed prevention rollers on a Panasonic KV S1027C.